Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles on Discord using CarlBot. Open your server settings and confirm you have Manage Roles permission, then add a new role using the Roles tab in Server Settings. Think about hierarchy, permissions, and naming before saving. Use distinct colors and concise names to help members identify roles quickly. I will show step by step how to assign permissions and how CarlBot can automate role assignment. When setting permissions, take a cautious approach and only grant elevated powers to trusted roles. In the Roles tab, choose each permission deliberately, and remember to lock off dangerous toggles like Administrator unless absolutely required. After adjusting, move the role in the hierarchy to reflect its authority. I recommend testing changes with a test account or temporary role to ensure channels and commands behave as intended before applying to all members. Install CarlBot and grant it the Manage Roles permission so it can assign roles automatically. Configure reaction roles by creating a message, assigning emojis, and linking each emoji to a role in CarlBot's dashboard or using commands. For joinable roles, enable the module and set role limits to prevent abuse. Always position CarlBot's role above roles. It should manage to ensure assignments succeed without needing administrator access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.